Percentages aren't just something you find in a math textbook. They're a kind of secret code for the real world, hiding in plain sight. At the shopping mall, on your phone's battery icon, and on your cereal box. They are the universal language for understanding parts of a whole, helping you become a savvy consumer and a mathematical citizen. Let's crack the code. You see a pair of shoes that normally cost $80, but today they're 25% off. This isn't just a random number, it's a signal. Knowing that 25% is the same as 1/4 makes the math incredibly fast. A quarter of $80 is $20. That's your saving. The final price is $60. Suddenly, you're not just buying shoes, you're making a smart financial decision. The code also works for money being added. In Australia, most things have a 10% GST, or goods and services tax. For a $120 plumbing bill, the mental shortcut is simple. Just divide by 10. The tax is $12, making your total bill $132. The same logic applies to bank interest. If you have $500 in an account that pays 3% interest, you can find 1% first, which is $5, then multiply by 3. That's $15 earned just for saving your money. And this language extends far beyond money. A nutrition label that says 20% daily intake of calcium means one serving gives you a fifth of all the calcium you need for the day. In sports, a basketball player who makes 15 out of 25 shots has a 60% success rate. It standardizes performance so we can compare different athletes fairly. Ultimately, that's what percentages do. They create a level playing field for comparison. They let you see that 50% off a pizza is the exact same value as buy one, get one free. Mastering this code isn't just about passing a test, it's about seeing the numbers behind the curtain and making smarter decisions in every part of your life.